Today I'll show you how to make grenadine syrup at home. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. I'm happy to share my knowledge and welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to make grenadine syrup at home. It's really very easy and it's one of the essential syrups in bartending. We will do it in very traditional way. We won't make anything very fancy. We won't go to some crazy stuff. I'll show you how to make very basic syrup, and for that we will need only fresh pomegranates. I'm using 2, you can use 1, it depends how much you want to do, and sugar. Traditionally it's also uses some water, but I'll just make it more pure grenadine, so I'll use only fresh grenadine juice and sugar. The word grenadine comes from a French word grenade that means pomegranate in English. So I guess if it was evolved in America or in England, it would be called pomegranate. Or maybe not, I don't know. Alright guys, so the first thing what we have to do, we have to get all the seeds of grenade out of the fruit. I'll show you one very easy method. You can use it for syrup or you can use it just to take out the seeds and to eat them. And it's very easy. I'll just cut pomegranate in half. I'll take the pot and my muddler. You can use something else what is like that shape, or basically we will need it to hit the pomegranate, and when we hit, the seeds goes out. Look, it's very easy. Just one thing what's not very comfortable is how to keep it, because it's like that. But you see, it's going quite easy. You don't need a lot of effort. You just need some patience. You see, it's very well cleaned, almost very well. 9 out of 10. So a little bit more patience, and we get all the seeds out of it. It took less than a minute, I guess, or around that time to empty 1/2 of pomegranate. So I'll do the same with the rest of the pomegranate. Empty. Was very easy, very fast. It's very good method. You need a lot of effort. You just need some drumming, you know, and if you like drums, so it's like a spa, like a relaxation for you, you know. It's very easy. Now I will squeeze the juice. Okay, juice squeezed. Now one more step, we will have to use this cheesecloth and strain juices from the pulp of the pomegranate. I'll do it in the shaker like that. Now we are putting all the mass to the cheesecloth. Okay, juice are done. I have this leftovers of pomegranate. I'm not sure, maybe I could use them for some garnish or something. You know guys, I like to do things sustainable and reuse and use everything what I can. It's interesting. I will try to find out some way how to use them, maybe check on the internet and find, and I'll share with you. Or maybe I'll just put them to the shake and just use it in that form, as I believe these things has a lot of vitamins and minerals, as pomegranate is very healthy fruit, and it's not just the juice, it's everything. Coming back to the juice and to our syrup, now we have juices. Let's taste. What is the taste? We are quite sweet. So I'm going to do everything simple. I'm going to use the same amount of juice and the same amount of sugar. It's 1-to-1 ratio, and everything is basically very simple like with sugar syrup. And if you want to learn how to make a sugar syrup, it's a very essential ingredient of the cocktails, and it's very simple to make, so you can check the link here. And now we are going to do the same with pomegranate juice, making it the pomegranate syrup, and we call it Grenadine. I'm going to measure. How much do I have? Almost 1 cup. Okay. So the same works with sugar. I have to use almost 1 cup of sugar. Alright, the first thing, while I'm measuring the sugar, I will put this juice on the stove and I'll start heating it up. My goal is not to boil it, so I'll try not to boil it. I'll try just to heat it up to dissolve the sugar, and that's it. Some people even just try to do it with like powdered sugar without even heating the juice. You can use that way if you want. I just decided to show you this way now. So I'm showing it like that. Almost 1 cup of sugar as well. Maybe I'll make even a little bit less because I think it was a bit less of juice, and the juice is already sweet itself. Like that. Now I'm happy. And I'm heating the juice. I'm adding the sugar and mixing everything. That's it. Sugar is dissolved. I don't want to boil it. Couple more stirs and we might be ready. It's nice red color. Not very red, but maybe it's because of the shadows and everything, but it still gives red color. And now it's tasting time. Let's taste the syrup. Very good. Sweet as it should be as a syrup, and also have this deep flavor of pomegranate. So I believe it will express itself very beautifully in the cocktails. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because we are going to explore a lot of cocktails using grenadine syrup and not just grenadine syrup. And the last part, what is left, is to bottle everything. But for that we need to cool the syrup a little bit down, because in the bottle it will cool down slower when in the pot. So I will wait a bit, I will cool down the syrup, and then I'll bottle it and I'll put in the fridge. Because keep in mind that if you are not going to keep it in the fridge, it might get bad really quick. It depends on what temperature is in your room, so I just advise you to keep it in the fridge, and then your syrup could last longer, so you could enjoy it much longer. Don't waste, don't throw away when it gets bad, and use every drop of your syrup. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got an idea how to make a grenadine syrup. It's really easy. You can buy it or you can make it your own. Sometimes it's worth to buy, sometimes it's worth to make your own. I like to make my ingredients because I like to create and I like to really understand how things are made. So please show me some love, support me, hit button subscribe, and we will be making a lot of different interesting bar ingredients together. Also like this video so more people could get inspired to create and could make their own home ingredients, and please share it with your friends. And I'm sending you my love, passion and energy, and I'll see you in next videos.